let us look at a poem from Savi Kannada grade 4. The name of the poem is Male. It is written by Palakala Sitarama Bhatta. So Male means rain. So this poem is about the water cycle, how the rain is formed and how it flows and falls on the earth. So let's look at the poem. ಬಿಸಿಲ ಝಳಕ್ಕೆ ಕಡಲ ನೀರು ಆವಿಯಾಯಿತು, ಆವಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆಲದ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಬೀಸಿ ಬಂದಿತು. ಬಿಸಿಲ ಝಳ means for the sun's heat. ಕಡಲು means sea. ನೀರು is water. ಆವಿಯಾಯಿತು, it became vapor. ಆವಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆಲ is land. ಕಡೆಗೆ towards. BC is blue and Banditu came. So for the sun's heat, the water in the sea became vapor, and that vapor started to blow towards the land. From the sea it started to blow towards the land. Then Nelada mele gudda betta addavayitu, ತಡೆದು ನಿಂತ ಮೋಡವೆಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೇರಿತು. ಗುಡ್ಡ ಬೆಟ್ಟ means hills and mountains. ಅಡ್ಡವಾಯಿತು means block. ತಡೆದು is stopped or blocked. ಮೋಡ is clouds. ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೇರಿತು move up. So now the vapor is all blowing towards the land. But on the land there are hills and mountains which are blocking the vapors. So whatever has stopped because of the mountains and hills is the clouds. That is the clouds. The vapors all are slowly forming clouds. So now because it is blocked by the hills and the mountains, it is moving more upwards. Then ಘಳಿಗೆ ಯೊಳಗೆ ಬಾನು ತುಂಬ ಮೋಡ ಕವಿಯಿತು, ಮಿಂಚು ಮಿಂಚಿ ಜಗವು ಬೆಳಗಿ ಗುಡುಗು ಗುಡುಗಿತು. Now all the vapor started moving upwards. So ಘಳಿಗೆ ಯೊಳಗೆ within seconds. Banu means sky. Moda is cloud. Kavitu is filled. Minchu minchi, the lightning shined. The world. Jaga is world and belagi to light up. And gudugu is thunder. So in the first paragraph we saw that for the sun's heat all the water in the sea was becoming vapor. And the vapor was blowing towards the land. But on the land, the hills and the mountains blocked it. So all the vapor started moving in upwards direction. Then within seconds, ಗಳಿಗೆ ಯೊಳಗೆ ಬಾನು ತುಂಬ ಮೋಡ ಕವಿಯಿತು. Within few seconds, the sky was filled with clouds. And then ಮಿಂಚು ಮಿಂಚಿ ಜಗವು ಬೆಳಗಿ ಗುಡುಗು ಗುಡುಗಿತು. ಮಿಂಚು means lightning. So the lightning shined the entire world. It lit up the entire world and also thunder was heard. Then ಮೋಡ ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೇರಿದಾಗ ತಂಪು ತಗುಲಿತು, ಆವಿ ತಣಿದು ಭಾರವಾಗಿ ಕುಸಿಯತೊಡಗಿತು. So moda is clouds. ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೇರಿದಾಗ when they went up, when the clouds started moving in the upward direction, ತಂಪು ತಗಲಿತು. So as you go higher and higher, the temperatures are very cool. Okay, so the cool temperature was the clouds went and touched the cool temperature because they were going in the upward direction. So what happened? All the vapor had cooled down. So it is the condensation which is taking place. So all the vapors cooled and they again started to become water droplets. So that became heavy. The water droplets are heavier than vapor. So the water droplets became heavy and they all started dropping down. Means pouring down as rain. Then ಮುತ್ತಿನಂತ ಮಳೆಯ ನೀರು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಸುರಿಯಿತು, ಕೆರೆಯು ತೊರೆಯು ಹಳ್ಳ ಹೊಳೆಯು ತುಂಬಿ ಹರಿಯಿತು. ಮುತ್ತಿನಂಥ means like pearls. ಮಳೆಯ ನೀರು, the rain water. ಕೆಳಗೆ ಸುರಿಯಿತು, it poured down. ಕೆರೆ is pond, ತೊರೆ is lake, ಹಳ್ಳ is stream, ಹೊಳೆ is river, Tumbi haritu, they all filled and started to flow. So the raindrops like pearls, they fell down on the earth, they poured down on the earth and they filled up the ponds, lakes, rivers, streams and all of them started to get filled up and started flowing. So this is the poem Male.